Preeti ji, has underage driving become more normalized in certain urban pockets, almost as a rite of passage? And there were reels being made. Social validation is so important. Has social media validation created this culture where risk-taking on roads is seen as aspirational content making rather than criminal behavior? Where are we taking our society on this front?
First of all, the fatal consequences we are seeing today, it's extremely sad. And this is all the foremost reason is the real culture, the social media culture. I would rather say, of course, there is weak enforcement of law and lot of other things are there. But on an individual level, also we have to be conscious about while we are parenting, why we are teaching our children, because most of the time the children are with their parents. They go to school, they go to colleges, they go to friends, but of course a major part of a child's life belongs to their parents or guardian for that matter. So here we are seeing SUV culture is just as equal to power display, just showing that how rich we are, or how
Yeah.
entitled we are, and um, how much risk we can take just because we are entitled to do so.
Yeah.
And the social media these days, the youngsters, they are extremely influenced with the type of content, and there is no surveillance, no guidelines which can actually look into the content which is been shared amongst the young group. And I also have seen a lot of young children who are going to college and schools. They are so much into validation. This is
Yeah.
all coming from the validation
I can
perspective.
understand they're coming of age, they're dealing with so many, biological developments inside them as well, puberty and the likes. But just like Advocate Sankla pointed out, nurturing begins at home essentially. How complicit are parents, not just legally, but culturally?
See, culturally also, the validation again, it is a somehow I would say a mental state where the parents also feel extremely needy for getting the validation. If my child is driving a good car, an expensive car, or maybe an expensive phone, so I am validating myself as a good parent. But parenting doesn't come, never come as if your child is buying expensive stuff or things. Parenting comes when your child have values, morals, when
Yeah.
the empathy is there. But we are, as a society, somehow we are failing, extremely failing, like badly we are failing on creating empathy, creating values and ethics. These are all boring term. If I'm saying, I'm sure there would be few parents or few young children who would say, oh, she's talking about such old age concept. But this is not old age concept. This is the concept where human evolution comes when we can help each other, when we understand that if
Yeah.
I'm I'm driving giving, first of all, giving SUV means a 2-ton machine you are giving to a minor is
Yeah.
giving a weapon. And
That's
here the
as good
parent,
as a loaded weapon. We began the show with that.
absolutely,
And it seems like
absolutely,
justice looks different when the accused is 17 and not 19. There is a
yes.
thin line between privilege culture and peer pressure culture. And if that car, if the enforcement had acted after the fifth speeding challan, let's say, would Sahil be alive? That's another big question.